we got this big monster in my building. It's actually only 20 or 22 feet long. But we're going to put fresh water and gray water heaters on them. That's a cover of Reflectix. That's sticky Reflectix. So that'll cover those two tanks. We're going to put a spare 100-watt solar panel on the roof, so they'll have 200 watts of solar. This has solar on the side, so he's got a portable solar panel that sits over here. I got to fix the lock on here. This is not tall enough. They cut it too short for the locks to lock the propane tanks up. We're going to fix that. And I believe that's it. We're going to wire a toggle switch in with a light inside. And we'll show you as we go along. It's cold down here this morning, this Wednesday morning. It's probably 15 degrees warmer outside, but there's so much concrete in here. I'll show you the inside of this thing. I'm sure the lights won't come on. Yeah, maybe I won't show you the inside. Got this big old step here. Got to pull it down and walk around it. We'll just go ahead and leave it alone. It's got off-road tires on it. It's some sort of like, I don't want to say it's like some Quigley, but it's pretty neat. Alright, we went ahead and cut a 4-foot threaded rod down because it wasn't long enough for this apparatus. We built this propane tank lock. Okay, spin this wing nut on. Before everything's tight, yeah, straighten it out for me, Bill. Got the propane tanks on there right. You don't have to tighten it up real tight, just snug to hold the propane tanks down. And that bracket goes in there like that. And the padlock comes in from behind. Now, you can't turn that wing nut because it's all held in. See it? You can't steal this poor man's propane tanks. Now we're off to the next project.